Outside of policy and stakeholder involvement, there are a few pieces of related security developments, and the most important is probably the Cloud Access Points, or CAPs, which attempts to address some of the data protection and perimeter defense concerns that DoD information system owners have expressed in the past. Essentially, think of the CAPs as a gateway, both physical and logical, between the DoD network, or DoDN, and any commercial cloud providers that they work with. And it's a safe bet that CAPs are going to be the norm across every branch. A functional requirements guideline outlining the actual capabilities of CAPs was released last summer, but performance requirements are still being refined. And it's still early days yet on the CAPS program, but everyone in here who's looking to bring a commercial cloud solution to DoD is going to have to be aware of what the CAPs are. So looking at overall cloud spending, like the civilian agencies, as Chris alluded to, we think the apparent drop in requested FY17 funding that you see there is more due to a tightening of the definition of what constitutes cloud versus an outright decline in spending. In fact, in measuring cloud spending, a challenge has been untangling true cloud from other forms of provision IT. For example, a trend that has emerged over the past few years is the use of the term cloud to describe things like a network of sensors, communications hardware, and switches, things like that. And this matters because it can impact our understanding of the market and extent of business opportunities related to cloud. Now, on a related note, one of the overall major drivers influencing this spending is the promise of cost savings. However, determining these savings continues to be a major challenge, suggesting that vendors with tools that help agencies show ROI through cloud computing could derive a competitive advantage.